Plant FAQs. Begonia popenoei. Begonia popenoei, the Central American giant with dinner plate dreams. I'm Ferb Vu, and I've been obsessed with begonias for years. There's a certain magic to these diverse plants, from the cascading jewel tones of the Rex begonia to the architectural drama of the dragon wing begonia. But lately, my heart has been captured by the Begonia popenoei, also known as the Popenoei begonia. This Central American stunner isn't your average begonia. It boasts dinner plate-sized leaves and a statuesque presence that can transform any indoor space. But before you rush out and snag one, let's delve into the world of Begonia popenoei and answer some of the most common questions. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What makes Begonia popenoei special? Size matters. Unlike the dainty charm of many begonias, Begonia popenoei is a showstopper. Mature plants can reach a height of 3 to 3.5 feet, with leaves that easily span 8 to 12 inches. Imagine the visual impact, a lush mound of emerald green foliage that commands attention. Blooming beauty. Begonia popenoei isn't just about the leaves. In late winter, the plant erupts in a display of delicate white flowers. These airy panicles, clusters, rise gracefully above the foliage, adding a touch of elegance to the bold silhouette. Adaptability. While it thrives in warm, humid environments, Begonia popenoei can surprisingly adapt to average household conditions. With proper care, it can flourish and bring a touch of the tropics indoors. Begonia popenoei versus other begonias, picking your perfect plant. The Rex appeal. If you're drawn to vibrant foliage patterns, then the Rex begonia might be a better fit. Rex begonias come in a kaleidoscope of colors and textures, making them a feast for the eyes. However, they tend to be smaller and require more specific care compared to Begonia popenoei. The elegance of angel wings. The begonia angel wings, Begonia coccinea, shares some similarities with Begonia popenoei. Both have large, glossy leaves and a statuesque presence. However, Begonia angel wings features dramatic red flowers that stand in stark contrast to the white blooms of Begonia popenoei. The cascading charmer. For those seeking a trailing begonia, the Million Kisses begonia, Begonia boliviensis, is a popular choice. This begonia produces masses of small pink flowers that cascade down from the pot, creating a vibrant, overflowing display. However, it requires more frequent watering and higher humidity compared to Begonia popenoei. How to care for Begonia popenoei. Light it up, but not too much. Begonia popenoei thrives in bright, indirect light. Think dappled sunlight filtering through leaves in a rainforest. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Water wisely. This begonia prefers evenly moist soil, but doesn't appreciate soggy roots. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Humidity matters. While it can tolerate average household humidity, Begonia popenoei performs best in a more humid environment. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray with water can help raise the humidity around the plant. Feeding frenzy. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer applied once a month will keep your Begonia popenoei happy. Opt for a diluted solution to avoid fertilizer burn. Potting up for success. Choose a pot with good drainage to prevent waterlogging. A well-draining potting mix formulated for houseplants is ideal. Repotting may be necessary every 1 to 2 years as the plant matures. Begonia popenoei, a rewarding addition to your indoor oasis. With its impressive size, elegant flowers, and surprising adaptability, Begonia popenoei is a unique and rewarding addition to any indoor plant collection. By following these simple care tips, you can nurture this Central American giant and enjoy its lush beauty for years to come. Remember, the key is to mimic its natural environment: bright, indirect light, consistent moisture, and a touch of humidity. With a little love, your Begonia popenoei will reward you with season after season of stunning foliage and delicate blooms.